Get ready for a unique artistic journey as we dive into an extraordinary exhibition in Liverpool. A bold twist on a classic artist's legacy awaits. The JMW Turner exhibition, celebrating his 250th birth anniversary, promises an unexpected surprise. Curator Melissa Gustin has crafted a showcase that goes beyond Turner's masterpieces. Alongside his works, you'll find pieces by modern icons like Koons and Damien Hirst, creating a captivating dialogue between past and present. But here's where it gets intriguing: the exhibition explores Turner's enduring influence on contemporary artists. It argues that Turner's themes, from climate concerns to immigration, remain relevant today. It's a challenge to present Turner's legacy in a fresh light, Gustin explains. We want visitors to see the connections across time. And this is the part most people miss: Liverpool's rich history as an art patron. The city boasts an impressive collection of late Turner works, thanks to forward-thinking 19th-century collectors. One highlight is the wreck buoy, described by Turner's friend John Ruskin as his "noble hand's" last oil painting. It's a dramatic seascape, now displayed alongside Hirst's sharks in formaldehyde, creating an intriguing contrast. The exhibition also features works by Monet, Pissarro, and more, alongside rarely seen Turner pieces. We wanted to showcase our stunning collection, including works on paper that are often hidden, Gustin says. Even more surprising are the loans from contemporary artists, like Koons, Gazing Ball, and Gustin's own Turner-inspired fashion items. It's a powerful statement about the ongoing relevance of Turner's work, Gustin adds. So, are you ready to explore this unique artistic dialogue? What do you think about the exhibition's approach to showcasing Turner's legacy? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.